Climate change is the evident change of the world's temperature. Due to the combustion of fossil fuels, atmospheric concentrations of carbon dioxide, the principal greenhouse gases, are at an extreme level that are now harming our planet. As a result, an enhanced greenhouse effect is trapping more of the sun's heat near the Earth's surface and gradually pushing the planet's climate to a more dangerous overheating state. Carbon dioxide, as well as other greenhouse gases, have always been present in the Earth's atmosphere. Without it, the Earth would not be able to trap heat and could not sustain life. However, since the Industrial Revolution, emissions of these gases from human activity have accumulated and have been trapping more and more heat. Greenhouse gases are primarily associated with the burning of fossil fuels. Greenhouse emissions come from 25% of electricity and heat, 20.4% of agriculture and land, 17.9% of industry, 14% of transportation, 9.6% other energy, 6.7% of food waste, and 6.4% is from buildings. Sea levels are rising and oceans are becoming warmer. Longer, more intense droughts are threatening crops, wildlife, as well as freshwater supplies. The warming of the ocean directly affects and harms animals and their habitats. As climate change worsens, dangerous weather events are becoming more frequent and severe, by affecting our species as well. Fires, floods, and storms are affecting our habitat, as well as our animals. As a result of this, global temperatures are on the rise, as well as ocean temperatures. Because of these rising temperatures, polar ice is melting, as well as a steep decrease in glaciers. Because of climate change, many animals are endangered. Species like the polar bear are reliant on their polar habitats, which will soon be gone, as well as the African elephant, who relies on 40 to 80 gallons of water a day, just for survival. With these intense droughts, finding water is an everyday struggle. Also, the green sea turtle, who is very sensitive to water temperature changes, and many other species whose habitats are being taken over by humans. A stronger greenhouse effect will warm the oceans and partially melt glaciers and other ice, increasing the sea level. Ocean water will also expand if it warms, contributing further to sea level rise. Meanwhile, some crops and other plants may respond favorably to an increased atmospheric CO2, growing more vigorously and using water more efficiently. At the same time, higher temperatures and shifting climate patterns may change the areas where crops grow best and affect the makeup of natural plant communities. At the same time, extreme temperatures, a decrease in water availability, and the changes to soil conditions will actually make it more difficult for plants to thrive. Overall, climate change is expected to stunt plant growth. With this in mind, plant species in which animals consume will decrease and will cause animals to not be able to receive the adequate nutrition for survival, and will cause omnivorous and herbivorous animals to disappear more quickly. Climate change does not just affect temperature. It affects animals, us humans, habitats, and many other factors. However, as a whole, we can come together and prevent climate change. If we all donate and contribute, we can make a difference and save our Earth. How to prevent climate change. 1. Choose renewable energy. Push for cleaner and healthier energy. 2. Transportation. Take public transport. Ride a bike. Carpool. Switch to an electric vehicle. And also fly less. 3. Use energy wisely. Use energy-efficient light bulbs. Unplug electronics when not in use. Use dryers less. Install a programmable thermostat. 4. Eat more efficiently. Eat less meat. Try to buy organic and locally, and do not waste food. 5. Speak up. Show others how important this is to you. Show how important the Earth is and how to prevent climate change.